Preeti from class prep. Every day in virtual classes, we learn new and amazing things. Do you want to know what I learned this time? Come, I will tell you. And chicken, what does it say? Cheep, 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 all through the day. Yes, the session was about the hand and its life cycle. Hen is a domestic animal. A hen gives us egg and meat. I will tell you life cycle of hen. Good morning, my name is Naya Mathur. I am here to explain life cycle of hen. First, hen lays the egg and sits on to keep them warm. The baby chick eats the yolk and grows. After 21 days, the chick is big enough to break the cell and hatch. Baby chicks are furry and cute. They peck the ground to find the food. And look, after some days, this cute chick grows into an adult hen. This hen again lays eggs and the life cycle began anew. Look what I made in the class. I made life cycle of a hen. I used paper for eggs and my handprint for hen. I enjoyed doing this activity and will never forget this life cycle of hen.